Rusia menyerang kilang minyak Kremenchuk Ukraina dengan rudal jarak jauh dan menghantam instalasi militer di bekas lingkungan Soviet. Demikian salah satu info terbaru Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia dirilis Senin tanggal 25 April. Rusia mengatakan telah menyerang instalasi militer Ukraina dan kilang minyak Kremenchuk di dekat Sungai Dnipro yang menurut Gubernur wilayah Poltava dihancurkan awal bulan ini. Senjata jarak jauh berpresisi tinggi menghancurkan fasilitas produksi bahan bakar di kilang minyak di pinggiran utara kota Kremenchuk, serta fasilitas penyimpanan produk minyak yang menjadi bahan bakar peralatan militer untuk pasukan Ukraina, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konashenkov. Pada malam hari, 6 aset musuh terkena rudal presisi tinggi berbasis udara. Di antaranya, 3 titik kuat dan area konsentrasi tenaga kerja dan peralatan militer, serta 3 depot amunisi di Barvenkovo dan Novaya Dmitrovka di wilayah Kharkov. Operasional taktis dan penerbangan militer Angkatan Udara Rusia menghantam 56 aset militer Ukraina. Di antaranya, 2 pos komando dan 53 area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan militer, serta 1 fasilitas penyimpanan bahan bakar di dekat Novaya Dmitrovka. Hingga 160 nasionalis, serta lebih dari 23 kendaraan lapis baja, tunggangan artileri, dan mobil, dihancurkan, kata Maijen Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision sea and air-based long-range weapons on the northern outskirts of Kremenchuk destroyed fuel production facilities of an oil refinery, as well as storage facilities for oil products to supply military equipment of Ukrainian troops. During the night, 6 enemy assets were hit by high-precision air-based missiles. Among them, 3 strong points and areas of concentration of manpower and military equipment, as well as 3 ammunition depots in Barvenkovo and Novaya Dmitrovka in Kharkov region. Operational, tactical and army aviation of the Russian aerospace forces hit 56 military assets of Ukraine, among them 2 command posts and 53 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 1 fuel storage facility near Novaya Dmitrovka. Up to 160 nationalists, as well as more than 23 armored vehicles, artillery mounts and cars were destroyed. Missile troops carried out 19 strikes during the night, destroyed 4 command posts of the nationalists, including the 81st Separate Airborne Assault Brigade and the 110th Territorial Defense Brigade and 3 ammunition depots. 21 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration were also destroyed. Up to 240 nationalists, as well as more than 28 armored vehicles, artillery mounts and cars were destroyed. Artillery units carried out 967 fire missions during the day. Destroyed 33 command posts, 929 strong points and areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 5 missile and artillery weapons and ammunition depots. Russian air.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.